Hey guys, Ayrton here, Barrett on Instagram. I've got Alex from Morosan Fitness with us. Today we'll be talking about the pendulum squat, the benefits of it for hypertrophy. Alex will be doing some demos for us and I'll go through some technique cues. Alright, so we've got our pendulum squat designed by Kinta, a local Perth-based premium fitness equipment company. So as he jumps in, he's going to secure his shoulders under the pad. He's going to place his feet on the plate and he's going to grab the unlocking attachment. He'll stand up and unlock. So now the weight is supported by his shoulders and he can go through his squat motion. All right, so how does the pendulum squat work? Well, it's a squat pattern, but it has an arcing motion. So that allows us to get our knees over our toes. It's really efficient for hypertrophy and we can get really deep into a squat. As the pad here supports your lower back, it's a pre-activator for the core, which means it's really good for people that have had potential back injuries and great for supporting load without hurting your lower back. Alex is going to squat now. So as he squats down, he follows this arcing motion. As you can see, that he gets really deep into the squat, which when we get deep into a squat, it is the best for quad hypertrophy. Because of the total quad isolation, the total weight we need is quite low, as we have a lot more quad activation at the bottom of the squat. Okay, so why is the pendulum squat so good for hypertrophy? Well, it comes from the depth of the squat and how deep we get our knees over our toes. So most squat patterns engage the glutes quite a bit, especially at the bottom as it stabilizes the lower back. But this plate stabilizes the lower back, so the quads are in full isolation. Another benefit of the pendulum squat is the adjustable foot plate. So with today's general population, a lot of us suffer from ankle mobility issues. So the plate can be adjusted for higher or lower depending on your mobility. So why should you buy a pendulum squat? Well, it's great for quad development. It's a great machine for those that are injury prone as it has no spinal loading, and it's a great general population machine.